Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here with this weather update on what could be the end of winter as we progress into mid-February. Highs coming closer to 40, at least highs above freezing and above normal temperatures. That also means that the chance of snow begins to go down. Do not expect a true early spring. It's still going to be cold. We've got to melt off a lot of snowpack, and it's not going to be a rapid warm-up. But the signal through now mid to late February still looks milder and not colder. As we progress into March, and we know March can kind of be fickle as we start out the season, there's not a signal for warmer or colder temperatures, which means a high around 40 is likely to continue. Keep that in mind. And if we look at those normal temperatures as we progress towards March the 1st, normal high is 40, normal low is 23. Plan for temperatures in that range. There could be some days that we have highs mid-40s, but there also could be days that are still in the mid-30s. It's likely going to be a slow melt-off, especially over the next 2 weeks, with highs between 35 and 40, predominantly in lows still in the 20s. Snowfall, it has been a buffer of a snow year. Again, the season in total, when you factor in November, over 80 inches of snow, the snowiest season in more than a decade. And a snowy winter as well, with finally above normal snowfall for the winter season with 54.8 inches of snow, and thankful for some snow in February to take us over the top. But will we keep adding to that? We'll see. It's probably unlikely, or it's going to be difficult from this point forward. We could still add, again, through the month of February for winter snowfall. I'm interested. Again, I had my winter forecast, and we'll talk about that with that main event. Now, every year, why do I always say winter snowfall? December, January, and February. I like to compare apples to apples. In winter season, if we have a lot of snowfall in November and then the rest of winter is mild, but then snowfall still comes close to average, it doesn't tell the true story of winter, which is why I make my forecast for the winter months only. We still keep the totals for all the rest of the season. Also, if I was below normal or I was below on my estimate for all of winter and then got a bunch of snow in March, and somehow March was cold but winter wasn't, you still might say, yeah, I don't think that winter was very harsh. So it's a comparison thing of apples to apples. It's not about being right or rigging the system. I explained the rules in advance, and this was my forecast. 60 inches of snow, near normal temperatures, near to below normal temperatures, and 4 nights below zero. Well, here's where we are. For winter, December, January, and February, close to 60 inches of snow, below or above normal snowfall, near normal temperatures. Right now we're below, but with the end of the month trending a little warmer, again, I think we're going to be close to that range. This is not an incredibly cold winter historically. It's just the coldest we've had in quite a while. And 5 nights below zero. Close. Again, not bad. We'll see how we finish the rest of the month. Stay with us.